That'll be better.
I don't want to scare someone, you know.
They'll be stoked, dude.
No, I think they might be.
Think how stoked they'd be.
I think I would not be.
Okay.
These things, they're so bright that they're going to get heard really loud.
Do an F sharp minor.
I think I got close to pushing Steve.
Yeah, she did.
Hey, let's go to the bathroom.
Ugh, it doesn't smell great in here.
This doesn't smell like food.
Well, it just like perfume or something. Perfume covered food.
I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. We'll be glad. We like to take our orders from fools. It's so behind.
us splash at Twilight?
No, a guy came in and used the toilet. He flipped it too.
Oh, that's what
Someone, Steve did. Someone came in and used the.
He was plumbing
We should probably have these washed before we use them.
I don't use those things anyway.
Yeah.
So it might be inhumane to work on a song.
Yeah. Yeah, we can still not.